Welcome back to our channel. I'm Hector with Meistergram, and on this video I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on your Gem XL 1500 with the 285 control panel. We'll start with locating the battery. The battery on your machine is located on the rear right of the machine. To start, we'll need to remove this panel you see here. Using a Phillips screwdriver, we'll have to remove this top screw, these two rear screws, and this side screw. Next, we'll need to remove the board cover, which is located inside the machine. There are 4 screws that you need to remove in order to take the cover off. Now that you've removed the cover, go ahead and locate the battery. The battery is located right below the power switch. It's recommended at this point to use either an anti-static band or discharge yourself by touching some of the grounding points on the machine in order not to discharge onto the board and cause damage onto the circuit board. You may touch any of the metals where the ground wires are located to discharge yourself. Next, we'll need to remove the battery. So you can see on the battery holder, there's a small clip on the right side of the battery holder, which once you push it in, will release the battery from its place. Now that we've removed the old battery from the machine, we're going to come back using our multimeter and we're going to test the battery just to verify that this is the reason why our machine is losing its language setting as well as other settings. And we can clearly see here that we don't have much of a charge. We're at 0.04. Normally we'll have to be at 3 volts in order for the battery to work properly on the machine. So let's go ahead and replace it with a new battery. Take your new battery and with the positive side up, go ahead and press it into the holder. Now make sure with new batteries that you've removed the clear plastic that come on some of them as part of the packaging. Otherwise, if you have any type of clear film, you won't be able to get the battery to work on the machine. Now that the battery is in place, we'll go ahead and return the first cover. When returning your cover, make sure not to clamp any of the wires around the area between the base and the cover, which could lead to a short circuit and cause damage to the machine. Make sure all the wires are clear below the cover. Once you've replaced your board's cover, go ahead and return the main cover back onto the machine. It's always a good idea to start all screws before completely torquing them down in order to get the cover to fit right. Now once you've replaced the battery, you'll need to change a few settings to get the machine working correctly. The first thing you'll need to do is locate the language. In order to locate the language setting, scroll at the bottom until you locate the green key with the double arrows. Inside this menu, you'll notice there's an option with multiple flags. This is your language selection option. Go ahead and press it, and now select the language of your preference. The screen will go back to its home page, and we now have the machine set to the correct language. The next step we'll need to do is set the parameters in the machine. Before we can do that, we need to locate the origin of the frames in order to get the machine working correctly. The next step is to locate the origin of the X and Y. To do so, go ahead and press the same key, which is the green key with the red arrows. Now in order to set the frame origin, press the option that says Set Frame Origin, and now choose the automatic Set Frame Origin option. The frame will move into a specific place. Now we can go back. Now that we've set our frame origin and we're back at the home page, we can continue on to setting our parameters. Locate the 2 gears, which take us over to our parameter settings. Now you'll need to go through the parameters and make sure that they're set to the correct value. We'll include a link below so you can see the list of parameters for the Gem XL 1500 with the 285 control system, such as the one you're seeing here.